Picture a dimly lit room, late one night years ago, where the air hummed with the sound of cooling fans and relentless ambition. A single visionary, tired but wired, stared at a screen filled with complex code. Alpha Modus Holdings Inc. didn't begin as a polished corporation in a glass tower. It began here, as a desperate, burning need to fix a broken system that the rest of the world had accepted as normal. The founders saw a world drowning in disconnected data, struggling to make sense of the noise-crippling efficiency. Their goal was audacious yet simple: bring order to industrial chaos. What started with instant noodles and sleepless nights quickly transformed into a movement. The solution they engineered was elegant, scalable, and undeniable, solving problems others said were impossible. From that single cramped room, the idea caught fire and spread exponentially. It moved rapidly from local obscurity to a name whispered with respect in global boardrooms. Alpha Modus Holdings Inc. became synonymous with reliability and foresight. It was an incredible journey from an underdog with a dream to a dominant force that totally rewrote the rules of the industry. As their reach expanded across borders, so did their corporate family. The workforce multiplied rapidly, attracting the bright minds hungry for a real challenge. But size never diluted their original spirit. Innovation wasn't just a department at Alpha Modus. It was the very oxygen they breathed. Every new hire added fuel to a burning desire to be better than yesterday. Early investors didn't just see numbers on a spreadsheet. They saw a relentless execution machine that refused to quit. The vision was clear, cutting through market noise like a laser. Alpha Modus proved time and again that they didn't just adapt to changing tides. They engineered the change itself. This track record built an unshakable foundation of trust. But resting on past laurels isn't the Alpha Modus way. Today, they are fundamentally transforming yet again. We are witnessing a seismic shift as they aggressively weave advanced artificial intelligence into the very fabric of their operations. This isn't just a tacked-on feature, it is a complete neural upgrade for the entire enterprise, redefining what they can do. Imagine operations running with terrifying efficiency. AI is streamlining complex workflows, slashing historical redundancies, and automating tasks that once took days into mere seconds. Productivity here is no longer linear, it is becoming exponential. The machine is literally learning to run itself better and faster every single day. The real magic, however, lies in decision-making. Through advanced machine learning upgrades and predictive analytics, Alpha Modus is seeing around corners. They aren't just reacting to market trends anymore, they are anticipating them with startling accuracy before they happen. This proactive stance is a massive competitive moat against rivals. This AI revolution extends directly to the customer experience, creating personalized interactions at scale previously thought impossible. Ultimately, these automated workflows and smarter engines are paving the road toward significantly boosted long-term profitability. The foundation for the next decade of dominance is being poured right now with data and code. Growth doesn't happen in a vacuum, and Alpha Modus knows the power of strategic alliances. Recently, they've unveiled significant collaborations that have sent shockwaves through the sector. These aren't just polite handshakes. They are deep integrations opening vast, untapped revenue streams that were previously inaccessible to them. By joining forces with other industry titans, they are aggressively expanding their market influence across new verticals. It's a classic force multiplier effect in action. These partnerships are designed to capture territory quickly, creating a synergy that many analysts believe could trigger a substantial surge in future valuation as the deals mature. Now, look at the current market landscape through this lens. The stock price has been telling an interesting story, one of consolidation and preparation. While the broader market fluctuates with uncertainty, Alpha Modus seems to be coiling like a spring, building immense energy for its next potential move. The tension in the chart is palpable. There is a growing sense of fear of missing out among early watchers who see the signs. Experts analyzing the convergence of their aggressive AI adoption and partnership strategy see a powder keg of potential growth waiting for a match. The market hates uncertainty, but it loves a clear trajectory, and Alpha Modus is painting a very clear picture. It feels like the quiet before the storm breaks. When you combine a legacy of flawless execution with the explosive potential of generative AI, you get a very tempting scenario for growth. While nothing is ever guaranteed in the markets, the current setup looks like an opportunity that many might regret ignoring down the road. The road ahead is paved with algorithms and ambition. If Alpha Modus maintains discipline on its ambitious AI roadmap and continues this blistering pace of innovation, the ceiling is incredibly high. We might be standing on the precipice of a significant upward re-rating of the entire company as the market wakes up to its true potential. This journey is far from over. In fact, the most exciting chapter is just beginning right now. Don't take your eyes off Alpha Modus Holdings Inc. Stay informed, watch closely, because when deep preparation meets massive opportunity in this way, history suggests the results can be truly spectacular for those paying attention.